Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I haven't put out any like modding or like actual real life videos and only like hardware updates for quite a while. I know this one's coming out on Sunday, same day as weekly hardware update. Hopefully I can get that up because I'm recording this right before I'm going to do that. But so today I have delidded my Pentium, which cost me $40 from eBay, about $40. And so there's not a lot of practicality to this. I don't know, I was just bored. I needed to make a video. I was like, why not this? And I was going to try and overclock it, but that's at the end. We'll see. Did something a little... Well, something happened that didn't allow me to do that. But anyways, so first thing that we're going to do to delid this is we are going to put it in this 3D printed delidding sort of thing, which I got 3D printed like a few months back. Like maybe like 7 months back. Basically what it is two parts. You have like the bottom part which pushes on the substrate, and the top part which pushes down on the IHS. And when you put it in a vise, it will compress it and it will push it, put enough pressure on it that it'll pop off the silicone seal. So essentially I'm just going to do that right now by tightening this down. So yeah, this works on, the one that I have works on any Intel processor that uses the same HS design that's been used for quite a while now. So yeah, I tried it on a 300 series, Intel 300 series processor, and this one, which is a Skylake. And I know anything after that and in between those is compatible. I don't know about the 200 series. I think the 200 series works. I'm pretty sure that the first gen Intel processors doesn't though. Anyway, so now we've got it popped off. Seemed to be a successful delid. And as you can see there's Intel's crappy TIM, which is just flaky and horrible and bad. And then we have our silicon, which is black. Some people will replace the silicon. It actually makes performance less. Well, that was a weird way to say it, but it doesn't help performance because, like, the thinner the amount of thermal interface between the .I and the IHS, the better performance. So if you put in silicon, it's gonna make it thicker. But I mean, I don't have any silicon, and so I'm just gonna go use it like this. So essentially what I'm first going to do is just wipe off the TIM, which is hard. And if you've never done this before, you should, usually like thermal paste is soft and not hard, but this is like hard. That's just kind of the way the TIM or Intel's TIM works. It's not that liquidy. But anyways, once now we've got that removed, we're going to wipe it off the CPU, which you don't want to like damage the die, but so don't like do anything abrasive on there, obviously. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward, just getting it off and just sort of wipe it around the CPU. It's very shiny, which I like. It's kind of cool looking. Anyways, once we've done that, we're going to remove the silicone seal. I like to do this with a sort of this thing that I got in my iFixit kit. I don't know the exact term for it. It's like this. It's like a pry tool. You just sort of like stick it in between like two surfaces to get it apart. Not like too much of a pry tool. It just sort of like splits stuff. It's like a really dull knife. So like, it's not really a knife, but you know, it's just like so similar shaped. So I use this to just sort of scrape it off. And then now I move on to CPU. Same thing. You could use something even less sharp because I scraped a little bit of it by accident. So that's bad. I would definitely not use an exact like a utility knife, but you could if you really wanted to. Just be careful. Also, sorry for that really out of focus footage. I need a camera. I mean, I could also just put it in not out of focus on my phone, but obviously I didn't do that. So yeah, I'm probably going to be doing that from now on, but sorry about it now. So essentially now I'm just going to spread some thermal paste on it. I didn't have a lot left in the tube that I wanted to use. So it took me a really long time, but I mean, and I also have this thermal paste that I got from eBay from China. It looks metallic-y, which makes me think that it's probably conductive. I don't know actually how well. It's probably worse than the Enermax thermal paste that I'm using currently, but I don't know. There are no SMDs on the surface of this, so it's probably safe to use. I think I added a little bit in the end, but yeah, I didn't show that. So I just put the AHS on and threw it in here. So I should have turned my computer on my side because the IHS was pretty hard to get on like that, especially because it's loose. So yeah, I would definitely turn it on your side if you're going to be doing this. So don't follow my tutorial, as I should have said that earlier, but yeah, don't. This is not a tutorial, just walking through my process. Anyways, so about what happened with the overclocking. Somehow dual channel RAM is not working, and I'm gonna try and fix it. I think I can fix it. Maybe a pin got bent in the socket, maybe something or other. I don't really know, but hopefully I can fix it because it's limiting my overclocks and my score was really bad. But anyways, as you see, our temperature is about like 40 degrees C. And yeah, so it's pretty good temperature, although it was about that temperature before anyways. And yeah, so I got a terrible score even though I have it clocked about 1 gigahertz higher than it was before. And yeah, so it's not great. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, leave a like. If you think it's stupid because I delidded a CPU that doesn't need to be delidded, I just did it for fun. You don't have to dislike it or anything. But yeah, anyway, so if you want to see more of this, hit that subscribe button, check out my other videos, and goodbye.